On behalf of the Catholic Association of Goa, I, Cyril Fernandez, would like to request the Director of Education, Mr. Jingre, to reconsider his decision and the circular issued by him for celebration of Yoga Day tomorrow in all the various schools. It is unfair for the teachers, not just the Catholic teachers, but the teaching community and the students community also, including the staff of all the schools in Goa, that they should be asked to commemorate or celebrate the Yoga Day on a Sunday. Nothing will fail if the same day is celebrated on any other day. There is no rule as such to say that the Yoga Day should be celebrated only on the International Yoga Day or yoga should be celebrated. Because yoga as an issue is related to health, and health is a everyday issue for all of us. But a Sunday is a day when our teaching community, our students and the staff get one day rest from their daily routines, and that should be promoted. Yoga, the education department can celebrate on any other weekday, on a working day, when the teachers, students are always in the school. Why should they be invited to come at 6 o'clock in the morning, undergoing all the pain and trouble? And I am surprised that even the special schools are also included in this circular. So this is nonsense that has been created by the department, and I request once again that the Director of Education, Mr. Jingde, reconsider this decision, shift the celebration to any other weekday when all the teachers would be there, and there is no requirement that they should come on a Sunday. Let them rest, let them have rest itself is a healthy issue that is required for the body, and why should that be disturbed? So I request that he reconsider the decision and let him withdraw this statement immediately. Thank you.